Welcome to the research world. This is an Excel file about the monthly sales of the different employees, and I want this Excel file to convert into the Microsoft Word document. So how can we do it? Let's follow the steps. Open your Word document, then click on the Insert tab. Then on the right, top corner, there is an option of Object. Click on it. Now, click on the Create from File here. Tick the link to File box. Click Browse and select the Excel file. Click Insert and then press OK. So you can see that the table in the Excel file has been transported or converted from the Excel file to the Word. Thank you for watching.